Welcome to Comcast Newsmakers. I'm Steve Mumm. Great to have you here. We're so pleased to be on location out in the Spokane Valley at the Mirabou Springs Waterfall, which is, those of you who remember Walking the Wild, we're on one former edge of that, celebrating the Spokane Valley today. Stephanie Hughes is here with me today from Valley Fest. Stephanie, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you, Steve.
Now, Valley Fest is 22 years strong now, but gets better every year. You've added hot air balloons, which is so cool. Tell me what people can expect this fall.
Well, it's a 3-day event that happens in September 23rd, 24th, and 25th. And we're trying to bring all the culture out in our community. And many events and activities are going on throughout the weekend that appeal to everyone in the community.
And multiple locations.
We have the parade, which starts Friday night, and it goes down. You start at the City of Spokane Valley City Hall, and it goes down Sprague Avenue, and that's lined with tens of thousands of people that evening. Then we get up bright and early and have hot air balloons, pancake breakfast, the 5K and 10K run on Saturday, and on Sunday it's the family bike ride. And
so
then,
you can run, you can bike, and one of the things, speaking of families and kids, every activity that you built in here has something, a component for kids. So
Yes.
incredibly kid-friendly.
Yes, very kid-friendly. You could spend the whole day here and your kids are entertained all day. And then we also have, for the older families or people who want to partake in wine, we have Taste of the Valley, which is Saturday evening, and it's a ticketed event. After that, you'll have jazz and live music. There's 3 entertainment stages throughout the festival on Saturday and Sunday as well.
And now I understand you're actually going to stock the pond back here,
We
I
do,
hear?
yes. Fish and Wildlife comes in, we stock the pond, and it gives kids the opportunity to come and fish, and it's easy. They get a fish right away, so they don't have to be patient or at least wait a minute.
Because you put like thousands of them in
We put
there.
thousands of them, yes, and it's a great activity, and one of many activities. Then back behind the falls is the Mirabou Point Park, and that's where we have all the jumping castles for the children. We have lots of Sunday activities for playing games throughout the day, tennis, frisbee, football, all sorts of different activities. Just a fun time to bring out the kids to the park.
Well, wonderful. And you mentioned that now this has been going on for 22 years, but this is all volunteers.
Yes.
That makes this happen.
Yes, this is the community coming together, and it's so exciting. We have probably close to 30 committees that put on the event, and they all report to Peggy, who is our executive director, and from there, it just comes alive.
So now if people wanted to volunteer and said, wow, this sounds really great, because you've got a rapidly growing community. I'm sure you've got lots of new neighbors all the time. How would people get involved in this?
Well, definitely go to our website, which is valleyfest.org. And you can also, we've got a Facebook page like everyone, and there's many opportunities there to contribute, and let us know what you want us to bring to the community event. This is your event too, their event. Because
it sounds like with all the things you've got going on, no matter what someone's interest or
Yes, it's amazing. We have the Astronomy Club. We brought them in. So the Spokane Astronomy Club has in the daytime, they have their telescopes to look at the sun, and in the evening, they have the telescopes to look at the stars. We also have a movie on Saturday night, and after the Taste of the Valley, we have a hot air balloon night glow.
Oh, and you've got some pictures of that. So actually, you've illuminated these hot air balloons.
Yes, they look actually like candles or Chinese lanterns, I should say.
Got it.
One of them was yellow with wild goose on it, and they're actually, these hot air balloons are made right here in the Spokane Valley. So,
well, how great is that? Homegrown.
Talk about buying local.
And then you talked about a lovely food and wine event. Tell me a little bit more about that.
Yes.
That one sounds interesting.
Yeah, I'd love to. So we partnered with local wineries and Washington Wines. We have an array of different fine wines to taste. And then we've paired that with lovely food. And we've got live jazz music that evening as well.
So you can have the perfect wine
It
with
is a
every
great
food.
event to get
Some
away.
jazz. Well,
Yeah.
wonderful. Well, Stephanie, it was such a pleasure to meet
Thank
you.
you
And
so much.
thank you for your efforts and all the volunteers out here in the Spokane Valley.
Yes, thank them very much.
Okay, and thanks for that website so people can go there and find out lots more about all the various activities. Thank you for tuning in to Comcast Newsmakers. I'm Steve Mumm. Stay tuned. CNN Headline News coming up top of the hour.